You are economics student.
Yes, sir, and didn't perform well in the past mock.
Yeah. Miss Payal Ghosh, can you tell me a few points about our Indian economy? What do you think is Indian economy? What are its plus points? Don't tell me negative points. Plus points only you speak. Speak about our economy in general.
Okay, sir. Our Indian economy is a developing economy. On the plus points, our Indian economy is stood at fifth largest country by the nominal GDP, and as well as the third largest country by purchasing power, GDP. Our GDP has been projected to 6.4% for the year 2025 to 26. As well as, sir, our FDI inflows has also been increased from the previous year. Sir, can I not see any negative point? Matlab, everything should to
If you
be
want, if you want, you tell it afterwards. Now tell
okay.
only the first plus points. You tell me.
Uh, okay, sir. For the as well as our Indian economy is currently focused on the industrial one,
Mm.
industrial activity. What? Sorry, sir. Sorry for the disturbance, sir.
No problem. No problem. Yeah. You were telling about Indian economy. Tell.
Yes, sir. Our Indian economy is currently focusing on the industrial. I mean, there has been seen industrial growth in the Indian economy as well. FDI inflows has increased, but sir, there is inflation also been rose at 5.22%, as well as our unemployment also rose at 8.3% on the current data, December 2024.
Not
Uh,
8.3, 3.2%. Please check up Google.
so, yes, sir. Actually, I could have asked that after our mock, because some data I have seen that 8.3%, and as well as you have told that 3.2% also I have been
No,
seen.
no, no.
So,
Let me search now.
okay, sir.
1 minute. Google.co.in India economic survey. In the economic survey, they have told like that. Economic survey 2025 unemployment rate. Hmm. 3.2% only. Economic survey,
Okay, sir.
economic
Okay, sir. I
times it
will. Okay, sir.
tells
I am
about it.
correcting.
Hmm. Now I
Okay,
am
sir. I
giving
will.
that link. I am giving that link in our bank interview group. Bank interview group. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Now tell me. Okay. This question sufficient about economy. You wanted to tell something negative. Please tell.
So actually, on negative basis, I would have said that unemployment, but you have corrected to 3.2%. Then it is not too much negative. How much I am thinking that.
Even now you can say that
Okay.
though it is only 3.2, the number of people affected is more because our population
Yes.
is very high.
Mm-hmm. Hi.
Considering
Yes,
that
sir.
our government should take keen measures to reduce unemployment rate, something like that you
Yes.
can always say. No
Okay, sir.
problem. So
As
this
well
question,
as, sir, there has been also, I want to add it in that, that our human development rank was 134 out of 193 countries. So it
very
is,
low, very low.
yes, sir, exactly,
I
sir,
don't
very
know why
low.
it is low. Yeah, I don't know what is the
So we
reason, but
also,
yeah, that can be improved. That has to be
yes,
improved.
sir. Yes, sir.
Very,
That has to be
that's a good
improved.
point. That is a good point. Are you sure about the number 135 or 125?
Yeah, sir.
Ah,
I think I have checked 134, but you can sure cross check it
yeah,
because
1 minute.
I have
India
the
Human Development Index. You are right. India's Human Development Index for 2022 was placed at 134. That's what you said, na?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have said 134.
Correct. It's okay. Correct. Let
Okay,
us
sir.
go
Thank you,
by
sir.
that. That's right.
Okay.
Now, for an economic student like you, this question and also another question. What are your views regarding our Indian banks, position of Indian banks, position of Indian economy, like these things? It is a regular question. You please prepare on them. Now, let me ask certain questions they have asked in a candidate. Now, what is the value of Indian rupee today as per dollar?
I think, sir, it is stood at 87.
87 rupees. Okay, correct.
Yes.
Can you tell
Yes,
me
sir. It
what is
is
the
all
role of a,
time low.
yeah. Can you tell me what is the role of a bank officer?
Sir, role of a bank officer, it is many things, sir, to deal with the customers to increase the sales of the bank products of that branch, as well as to recover NPA, as well as to spread awareness among the customers. It's like that, sir.
But you should tell it with more seriousness. For me, it is okay, but you
Okay.
should tell as if you are interested in winning the contract. You must talk like that,
Mhm.
emphasizing more on your marketing skill also.
Mm.
What is GST?
Sir, good service and tax.
Okay. Hmm. What are the languages you know?
Yes, sir. I know Bengali language. It is my mother tongue, as well as some broken Hindi as well.
What Hindi? Broken Hindi.
Yes, sir, because my Hindi is not so good.
What do you know about SEBI?
SEBI. Okay, sir. It is SEBI's full form is Security and Exchange Board of India. So it is a regulatory body which oversees our securities market in the India, and it regulates our stock exchange,
Hmm.
and as well as it.
It is under which ministry?
Sorry, sir.
Obviously, Ministry of Finance.
Finance. Okay, okay, finance. Yeah.
Who
Thank
is
you,
the
sir.
chairperson?
I forgot the name, sir.
Mrs. Madhabi Puri Booch.
Mrs. Madhavi.
What are
Yes,
the
sir.
what are the
Uh,
subsidiary organizations?
Subsidiary organizations of SEBI.
Yeah. Forward Market
Uh,
Commission,
Forward.
Association
Okay.
of Mutual Funds of India, National Security Depository, Central Depositories. They are not called as subsidiaries, they are called as child agencies. That is, these organizations are in close contact with our SEBI.
SEBI. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
What are the business risks that are there in, say, share market? What are the business
Business.
risks that are there? For example, what are the,
Um,
talking under financial risk, what are the risks that you are able to think of?
um, mm, like said, there could be financial risks, there could be economic risks, like if there is a slow GDP growth or there is some inflation, then it could impact the stock prices as it will impact the business profits. As well as if there is some political changes, then it could also affect the stock market, as well as what we have seen in the time period of COVID, that the stock markets have affected too much. Like if there is some global trends,
Please
like
see,
any.
Please see the
any
screen.
kind.
So many risks are given. Please read them. Hello.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Read
okay.
the risks loudly.
Settlement risk, concentration risk, sovereign risk, default risk, and the for market risk. There is interest rate risk, inflation risk, currency risk, equity risk, commodity risk, volatility risk, systematic risk, liquidity risk, model risk,
No.
execution.
Liquidity,
Oh,
refinancing
oh,
risk.
refinancing risk, deposit risk, margining risk, investment risk. There is model risk, execution risk, valuation risk. For the business risks, there is reputational risk, operational risk, country risk, political risk, legal risk, moral hazard, and the profit risk or non-financial risk, there is standard asset.
Of course, इतना detail जरूरत नहीं. Simply you say there is market risk, liquidity risk, then
Oh,
business risk, like that. If you
okay,
tell open broadly, that will do. Okay,
okay. So, sir,
good.
whatever I asked, tried to explain, that was not.
No, it
I
is
should.
okay. What you said is okay, not wrong.
Okay, okay,
I will go with
okay.
that. I will say it is good.
So,
Yeah. Now, how your degree will be helpful for our bank?
sir, my degree is on, sir, economics. So, if to work in a bank, I think one person should know about the economy as a whole of the country. So I have pretty much about of that. So that will can help
Acha, in
to
our
work in a
country,
bank.
are we importing edible oil or not?
Importing edible oil.
What is
I'm not
edible oil?
sure.
What is edible oil?
That edible oil means that we can use for the consumption purposes.
Hmm. Correct. Not don't say consumption. Edible oil means say for food. We
For
use it
food.
in food. Yeah,
Okay, for food.
yeah. So are we importing? The answer is yes. Mostly
Okay,
palm
sir.
oil. Okay. There
Okay,
is
mostly.
tax on oil in India. It is what is it GST or not?
Uh, Tax on oil. I think that it is GST.
No, it is not GST. That is what the controversy is. They are telling it is not on GST. So please know about it a little more. Okay.
Okay, sir. Tax on oil. Okay.
What is the foreign exchange rate? We have already discussed. Foreign exchange rate is affected by what conditions?
Uh, Foreign exchange rate. So foreign exchange rate
Foreign
affected
exchange
by
rate is affected by number one,
uh,
supply and demand,
yes, sir. Supply and demand. Yes.
and also due to very many factors. Like, for example, now after Trump coming, he's coming investing certain
Yes, sir. Yeah.
so
The
many,
trade
even
tariff
political
positions.
political risk will also change the mark this thing, and
Mm,
many people started withdrawing funds from our stock market. That is also affecting our foreign exchange trade, and also the payments that government has to make to for international agencies. If that is more on certain times, automatically demand will be more, so the exchange rate will go up, like that. Okay.
mhm.
What do you understand by fiscal deficit?
Fiscal deficit. Sir, fiscal deficit is the um, total expenditure minus total revenue of the governments,
Good.
and
What is the fiscal deficit now planned in our budget?
it is budgeted as 4.4%.
Good. Very good. So that is right. Now, what are the important changes in budget that stays in your mind?
Important changes. Sir, first there is a change that there will be no income tax up to 12 lakhs, as well as there has been changes in the income tax slabs as well. Like from 0 to 4 there will be nil, and 4 to 8 there will be 5%, 8 to 12 there will be 10%. After that, so I can remember it right now, but after 12 lakh, 24 lakh, there will be
No, no.
30%
Okay.
tax,
Don't
as
tell
well as,
more on that only. Tell other points.
okay, sir, yeah. As well as, sir, the tax reduction limit for the senior citizen has been doubled from 50,000 to 1 lakh. The FDI on for the insurance sector is also has been rose from 74% to 100%. For the MSME sector, the investment as well, yes, sir, the definition of the MSME sector also has been changed. Like for the micro enterprises, the investment has rose from 1 crore to 2.5 crore. And the turnover has been from 5 crore to 10 crore.
Good.
And
Very, very
after
good.
that, small for the small, there the investment has been rose from 10 to 25 crore, and the turnover has been from 50 to 100. For the medium enterprises, um, I guess, sir, it is 125 turnover, and sorry, 125 investment, 125 crore is investment, and the turnover is 500 crore.
Good. Not bad. Very
Okay,
happy.
and
You told
thank you, sir.
nicely. Good. Should I select you as an officer?
uh, Sir,
What is this?
if
Why
you,
are you hesitating? You should tell confidently, yes, sir. I
okay,
want
sir,
you to
yes, sir.
select me because I am fit for this. I have this many strengths. You should talk confidently. I know because
Okay,
you are
sir.
hesitating because I am talking and you don't feel like talking to me like that. But in interview, you must talk boldly.
सर ये बोल्डनेस ही नहीं आता है
It
मतलब
has to come, Baba. It has to come. Are you not going to school and college all these days? Are parents coming with you all the time? So, nahi na.
नो सर but
Are you
still, sir,
you studied in a co-education college or women's college?
sir, I have studied in women's school, but in college there was a co-ed. But actually, sir, in the economics classes, the I think 70% are the women and 30% are men.
So majority of look only girls. Acha.
Yes, sir.
So are you in contact with any of your friends who have studied post graduation?
Yes, sir. I am in
Acha.
contact with them.
Anybody has got already employment?
Yes, sir. Some of them got employment.
Where?
One has been posted. My very close friend has been posted to airport authority, and our others are in. One is in HSBC Bank,
Oh,
and one is in Deloitte.
oh, good. Mm, okay, next question for
Sir,
you. For education loan, up to how much it can be given without security?
sir, I am not confident with
Anybody?
that.
Can anyone tell me?
Sir, up to 10 lakhs.
No, no. I don't think you are right. There is some other definition for that. Google.co.in, India, education loan without collateral. ICICI Bank apply collateral. Now, 1 minute. I'm seeing it here. It's not, I'm not able to see it. Education loan. Oh, it is different banks, different loan, it seems. Um, is it possible to get education loan without collateral in India? Mm, oh, under the Government of India initiative of CGT MSc scheme, you get collateral free term loans up to rupees 10 lakh. No, term loans. But that is CGT MSc. I am asking about education loan. 1 minute. Let us ask Karnataka Bank itself. Karnataka Bank education loan without collateral. So like this, they will put some question. They have asked in Karnataka Bank interview only this question. Education loan. Vidya Lakshmi education loan portal. In Karnataka Bank, um, in one case, they have asked like that. Vidya Lakshmi portal. Karnataka Bank education loan require. I got it. Students can take collateral free education loan up to 4 lakhs. Hello, that's why I said I am not agreeing with
Okay.
10 lakhs. It's only 4 lakhs. Beyond that, they will ask for collaterals. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. So this is for only for the Karnataka bank. So
No, for all
if they
banks, it is normal rule is 4 lakhs. You can tell 4 lakhs as the answer. Okay.
okay. Okay, sir.
Now, I am going to ask you one last question. Who is regulating insurance companies in India?
Sir, IRDAI.
Correct. Good. Best
Insurance as
Regulatory Development Authority.
Regulatory Development Authority of India. Yes, sir.
Very good. Thank